Hi guys, I'm Jamie Caldwell with Elite Motorworks in Sarasota, Florida. I want to talk to you about mechanics and are they really ripping you off? Because I'll be honest, I have a dream of wanting this industry to be a much better thought of industry, because people think of taking your car in for service and they just immediately feel like they're going to get ripped off, that there's people out there that are out to scam you. And I gotta be honest with you, there are a few people out there that are like that, but it's such a small percentage. Most repair shops, dealerships, the people in the industry, they want to do a good job for you. The technicians, they want to fix the car right the first time. They want to be the hero, you know, they want to have that pride and that accomplishment of, I fixed this car for this customer. Now I agree, there are times that things just don't go as planned, and because of that, I feel like maybe that's when things start to fall apart, and maybe they, when I say they, the mechanics or the people at the dealership or at the shop, they don't want to admit that they're at fault. So maybe that's when they will start off with a little white lie, and then it just kind of snowballs from there. Now I don't think that's the way it should be. I think you should be upfront and honest with your customers, and I feel like you know, people in general, they understand that we're all human, we make mistakes. So if something happens in the shop, it doesn't go as planned, communicate that with the customer, and I think most customers will be willing and understanding, and that they will get it. So if you're a consumer and you are afraid of going to the repair shop, or if you've experienced bad things, let me know what you've experienced. Let me know if this video has helped you out. If you own a repair shop, if you're a technician, or if you're in the automotive business, how do you feel? Do you agree with me that most people are genuinely good people and that they want to do a good job for their customers? Hit me up, drop a line, and let me know what you think. See you guys next time. Thanks for watching.